going on? It's your boy Luke, man. We still over here in lockdown. I hope you're getting things done while we're in lockdown, and we pray this thing is over soon. Well, what I want to share with you in this video is a tool that I've been able to come up with. If you write emails, if you write blog posts, if you do podcasts, if you run Facebook ad, you run any kind of ad, all right, or write any kind of email or newsletter, or you just basically just produce content like I'm doing right now on video on YouTube, there are 12 steps to ensuring that your content achieve the intended goal. Anyone who writes any kind of newsletter, emails, or whatever, or ad copy will tell you there are 12 main steps you've got to follow to be able to ensure that you turn your content to money. Okay, so how do you do this? It could be very, very difficult if you don't know how to do it, but here's what happened. Okay, what I've been able to do is to actually convert these 12 steps to a tool, a software that you can use that literally holds you by your hand and shows you step by step what you need to do. Because listen, if you flip all these 12 steps, you're not going to see no results. Okay, so what you've got to do is to follow the 12 steps one after the other and ensure that you do it the way it's laid down, so that way when you write your email or your Google ad or your Facebook ad or even your YouTube video, you can engage with people, and of course you can convert your content to commission. All right, so what I've been able to do once again is to convert those 12 steps into a very, very easy to use software that allows you to follow this step the way it is laid down by the gurus, so you can see the same result as them. And guess what? After this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get this tool for free. Listen, this cost me a lot of money to produce these particular software, all right? But I want to give it to you for free. But I'll show you how you can do that once I'm done showing you how to use this software, okay? So I'm going to turn to my other computer, and I will show you how to really use this software. It's very, very simple, extremely easy, and with that you can come up with golden content, golden email, blog post, and of course you can start turning your content to commission. So let me demonstrate how you can use this, and I will tell you at the end of the video how you can get this software for free. All right, good people, here's what we're gonna do. Let's go over to this. Let me pull this up right quick. To be able to use the software, go over to my blog, lukemanbranding.com. all right, and when you get there, there's this AdCopies generator, right? AdCopies generator. When you click on it, all you've got to do, let me pull this up so that way you guys can see my screen very well. So once you come up here, all you got to do is just sign up for free. Again, do not look at this pricing. There's no pricing for you to use it for right now. Pretty soon it's going to go up to the paid version, but I want you to be able to use this for free. So your business, your clients, whatever you want to write for, you write it for your business or you write it for your clients. One free powerful email and ad copies instant generator. Join over 100,000 small businesses that are using these already. So click over here, sign up for free. In my own case, I already signed up. So I'm just going to go over here to my dashboard, and I will show you, and it's going to tell you to start creating. You're going to have all these icons right here, but all you've got to really do is to click on where it says create ad copies. All right. And I say ad copies because that is the term we use in marketing. Otherwise, this could be, your video. This could be your even Instagram post. All right. It doesn't have to be something explosive. You could be just one liner each step. But again, just ensure that you follow each and every one of these steps. All right, there are 12 steps, and if you do not follow them, well, this will not allow you to move forward. You can't skip one of them, because if you skip any one of them, then you're not going to see the same results, right? So it's not going to allow you to skip any one of them. You're just going to follow them all the way down, and you can see it's not that long, just right here. Okay, so I'm going to pretend as if let me go over to Google. I'm just going to copy anything off of Google right now to pretend that is going to be our content. Okay, and again, this, let me just type in marketing. And type in marketing, and we're gonna go over to, let's just open this one up. Okay, so we go back to our tool right here. It's called Toolex for right now, but it's actually instant ad copies. Okay, so ad copy generator. Over here, you want to get attention. That is the first thing you want to do, which is your headlines, right? Your headline has to be something that is captivating, that people will be forced to either look at, click, or read. All of it you want it to happen, right? So what you want to do is to get your headline. So let me go over here. I'm just going to copy this right quick. Okay, let's assume that's a headline. Okay, we're going to come back here and just put it over here. That's the headline. And so the next one is to identify the problem your audience have. All right, most of the time people want you to really acknowledge the fact that they have that problem, and you are aware of it, so you're not judging them, but you saying, listen, I know there is this problem, so you know what market, what niche you are, trying to appeal to, right? So whatever your audience is, try to identify what the problem is. All these keywords things here is something that we're coming up with later. It will actually suggest to you, based on the headline that you put in, it's going to suggest to you the keywords that should be in your copy, right? So I'm gonna pretend to see if I've identified the problem of my people. Let's say they don't understand what marketing is. I'm just gonna copy that, right? In your own case, you're just gonna be typing, and it's very easy. You're gonna be typing, okay? So I'm gonna just copy that and say, listen, okay, so we've acknowledged the problem. And now that we know the problem, how you about you tell them, listen, well, is that the problem? Well, there is a solution, and the solution is right here. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to pretend as if I'm typing that, okay? In your own case, you really have to type it. Do not copy other people's stuff. Just type that, all right? And as you can see, it flows pretty well. So, and the next one, once you provide a solution to that problem, again, look at it, you get the attention, right? You have to identify or acknowledge what the problem is and provide a solution to that problem. And next one is, hey, if they say, who is this guy that is telling me about the solution to my problem? Well, tell them a little bit about you. Maybe if you have credentials, you can put them in here. In my own case, I will tell them how long I've been online, how long I've been coming up with ad copies, and of course, people that I've been trained by, the likes of Russell Brunson, the likes of Caleb O'Dowd, Godry Chua, Goa Chaudhry, and several other people, all right? Neil Patel and the rest of them. I'll put all those in here, right, in a very beautiful way to let them know that, listen, man, I'm not just over here blabbing. I've got some good experience working for me, and I've been trained by the best of the people in this industry. So let's pretend as if we've done that. I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to pretend as if now there is my credentials, all right, credentials, and I type all of that, and I'm going to put it right here. So the next thing is show them the benefit. Let's say, listen, now that's why we know what the problem is. We provide solutions, and I tell them who I am. Well, what I want to offer you, these are the reasons why you should actually use it, right? This is what it's going to do for you once you apply this this solution that I provide to you, right? So, and we're going to pretend as if we're writing out all our benefits, and I'm going to just paste that right here. And again, in your own case, you don't really have to paste, just be typing, just look at it. So what is the next step that I have to do? The first step that I have to follow is get the attention. I'm going to write something to get the attention, which will be my headline. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and identify the problem. I'll go ahead and provide solutions, and I'll go ahead and present what my credentials are, and I'll show them the benefit of what I'm asking them to do. And again, I'm going to show them social proofs, right? It could be something that someone who's bought your product before say about you, or even say, for instance, you're actually writing this ad copy, for instance, for an Amazon kind of product, right? All you've got to do is just to get all those reviews that people have written. It may not be your review, and let's assume you also have you drop shipping from China, for instance. For the most part, all those people that you're buying from on Alibaba or AliExpress will have some kind of social proof on those products in terms of reviews and stuff like that. Just put them right here, all right? You can type them out, and if you have your own as well, you can just put them right here. And if you have links to videos of whatever people are saying about your product, you can put it right here. That is called social proof, okay? This could be video, it could be anything, right? So again, now what do you want them to do? In your own case, make them offers. Do not sell them product. Make them offers. Tell them, listen, if you get what I'm asking you to do, and listen, it may not necessarily be that you're buying. Offer does not necessarily mean, that you're selling, rather. Offer does not necessarily mean that you're trying to sell to them. It could be that you're saying, listen, once you understand, now that you understand all these benefits, what if I tell you that if you do this, this happens, and people pay $5,000 for this? If you use this, this happens. People pay $10,000 for this. If you use this, this happens. People usually will pay $100,000 for this, and this is about $120,000, and you can now have it for free. And that is an offer. That is called offer. But if you're selling something, you can tell them, say, listen, when you get this mug right here, I'm going to give you some kind of thing that is sitting. I'm going to give, which is $10. I'm going to give you the special sponge that you wash this with, which is $20. I'm going to give you the oil that you rub it with, whatever you want to put there, right? Tell them, give them those offers that prompt them to go ahead and take the action that you want them to take, right? So I'm going to put my offers right here. And of course, do not forget to attach either psychological, emotional, or monetary value to that offer, right? So that way people take action. Now that you make an offer, the next one, of course, is to give guarantee. Like, listen, there've been over 100,000 small businesses using this tool, and they're getting a lot of results, a lot of good results. If you use it today too, you're also going to get results, right? Tell them the result they're going to get, give them guarantee, and you can tell them, if you're selling something, for instance, if this does not work, do not talk to me again, or your money back in 30 days if this does not work. So put your guarantee right here and put that in there. And of course, inject scarcity. People do not like to take action. Why? Because we have a lot of distractions these days. They may want to take action, but while doing that, see, my alarm just went off a while ago, and I might look at it, and instead of me just looking at the alarm, I might just end up doing some other stuff on the phone that makes me forget that I was supposed to do something. So that is why you've got to inject scarcity. Say, well, if you do not take this today, it's not going to be here for too long. We're going to take this down in a few days, right? I like those that do not really specify the amount of hours. Well, I have a code that I use on my funnels that allow me to really just make that funnel disappear. When I say it's 24 hours, it's going to disappear in 24 hours. But if you do not have that capacity, all you've got to do is just let them know, listen, we only have 10 of these, 11 of these, 13 of these, and once it's gone, it's gone. So put your scarcity right here. And of course, the next one is, what do you want them to do? A lot of us do not understand the power of call to action. Now that you've shown them, okay, let's go back to the top. You've gotten their attention. You identify what the problems are, you provide solutions. Now you present your credentials to them, you show them the benefits, you give social proof, you make your offer, you give guarantee, you inject scarcity. Now what do you want them to do? You must never ever end any ad copies or any content that you produce without giving a call to action. So it could be get instant access now, right? All right, that's what you want them to do. I can't even spell access. All right. And this stuff is so good. It actually shows you when you do not, spell it right. So get instant access now. And of course, give warning. Listen, this again is only going to be here for so long. We only have 13 of these. If it's gone, I cannot promise that it's going to come back again. Give them warning. All right. And again, close with a reminder. Do not forget, this is a powerful tool that is being used by over 100,000 small businesses. It helps them achieve goals and of course, turn their content into commission. If you want to see the same results, go ahead and ensure that you get immediate access right now. And again, this is only going to be there for the next 24 hours. Give a reminder. Okay. So give that reminder, put that right here and look at this, guys. Just say submit. And now it's going to formulate all of this and it's going to show you. It says, congratulations, your ad copies has been generated. And you're just going to click on here to say my ad copies. So if whatever ad copies you've generated in the past, it will still stay on the software. You can always go back to them and reuse them. All right. So which is pretty cool. Okay. So, but the one that we just did right now is this one. Okay. I'm just going to preview it. When you preview, you can preview it, just preview it. And it shows like this. Okay. It shows like this. Okay. When you preview it, and let me go back. So when you preview before that, you can actually share all of this. Look at this, guys. You can share this on Facebook. You can post it right away to Facebook. You can share this via WhatsApp. Okay. You can share this in your, via email. And of course, you can post this to Twitter right away. This is powerful, guys. This is like you repurposing your content right away inside of this tool. And it allows you to share this in all of these ways just by a click of a button, right? And now, another cool thing that you can do actually, besides sharing it, is to actually get the PDF of it. And it's going to download your PDF right away. You open it up and boom, this is your PDF right away. Isn't that cool, guys? Like really, imagine how much you're going to have to pay for these before now. But again, I'm going to tell you how you can actually get this for free. And also, if you want this in Word documents, right, you can just click right here and it's going to download the Word documents right here, guys. This is awesome, like awesome. All right. So you open up the Word document and it's going to show you your content or your copy as the case may be. Where is our content? Let's see right here. Okay. I think it's right here. Okay, there you go. So right here, see, and you can, if you can read it through, and if you have to edit, you can just do that. So look at this, guys. Look at this. All you have to do now is just copy. Boom, it goes in your email. Boom, it goes in on your blog. And again, guys, this is a game changer, right? You've got to. I mean, before right now, you will have to pay like a whole lot of money for this. You had to pay so much money for this before you can use a tool like this. But guess what? Yes, guess what? You are going to get that tool and you'll be able to use it for free. But the way to do it, because listen, people don't really appreciate free stuff when there's no commitment attached to it. But the only thing I want you to do is to click on the link below, get on the waiting list for my new book, Unlimited Content Secrets, that shows you how to create content, publicize in a multi-purpose way, all right? Your content. The book teaches you how to create your content, how to publicize your content and make your content go viral, and above all, how to turn your content to commission, meaning how to monetize your content. So get on the waiting list for that book, for my newest book. And as soon as the book is released, I'm going to send you the link to get the book, and you will get this tool along with the book. All right, you will get this tool along with the book for free. Okay, this tool right here will actually be part of what you're gonna get when you buy the upsell to the book. Okay, the book essentially is gonna be almost free. If you get in the e-copy, it might be just as cheap as $5-6. And if you get in the hard copy, it's gonna be just free, and you just pay shipping about $7 or thereabout. But when you get the upsell to the book, you're gonna get access, a lifetime access to this tool and all the upgrade that we're gonna do. We're going to add to the tool. So if that is something that you really want, click on the link below, get on the waiting list for that book, Unlimited Content Secrets. I guarantee this book will teach you, just like I showed you the step-by-step. I'm a very simplistic person. I like process, because with process, you can achieve success, right? So I like to put things in process that allows me to quickly arrive at the end result. So if you follow what I'm going to lay down, in Unlimited Content Secret book, you will be able to turn all your content into commission. You will never ever run out of content again. So if you want a free copy of that book, click on the link below, get on the waiting list, and I will send you, along with this free tool, a copy of that book once it's out. All right? Keep staying safe, wash your hand, maintain that social distancing, and we pray that this is over soon, okay? See you later. Adios.